KD Cristo Ama.
Yeah, man.
Boss Miko team, the regional. Gino the champion. Utangalo kakameti ye. Windoka ene mabe. Gino the champion. Windoka ene mabe. KD Cristo tikany. Ubi winyo. And Boss Miko tikany. Pe omer wa lok mapol. Lo ba mine wa teleb me lok pigamente. Lo ba mi irwa teleb me lok pigamente. Ni chwagamente tim gino man pigamente bolkui pigamente timo man. Entro utangalu KD Cristo Ama Boss Miko team, Gino the champion, and many other people. Magamenta tika tikedwa. Umiru wangeni. Kona achuli wa mati i opposition. Achuli mati i opposition. Luo mati i opposition. Achuli mati gamente. Luo mati gamente. Obedo our responsibility collectively. Wana dong telebwati ma chuli winyu lokwa. Wan ma dong telebwati ma luo winyu lokwa. Wan ma telebwati ma gamente merutit kedwa mirwa ngeni. Atum paruot. Wa mago wa medu ki mekwa. Ka anati mobilizer. Initi mobilizer pa gamente. Omiru gamente beno yeni after mobilizing for the government, after mobilizing for our president, after mobilizing for the system, omiru wan bene the same telebwa matini, the same intelligence mawati kwede, omiru wan bene wati kwede, me mobilizing pe kakachuli, Mebo mobilizing piluo. Mobilize for the president. Mobilize for the system and government. But at the same time, don't forget to mobilize development, security, and prosperity for our people. Piankadong watiro mobilizing pigamente. We're mobilizing for President Museveni. We're mobilizing for the system. And we're failing to mobilize development for our region, Northern Uganda. We're failing to mobilize for our community. No, we are total failures in life. Atumpa ruot. Wamaru wameru kemekwa. Gamente beno miruye. Ni wana wa logo mabepi gamente, wana wa logo mabepi systemi, kache don lobo pe gangwa no shame on us. Kache security pepi luakwa, kache protection pepi business pa luakwa, padanwa. No, it is a shame on us. And Machalo Boss Miko team, Abi better mobilizer for President Museveni, mobilizer for government and system, and at the same time, I must mobilize for my people. What do I mobilize? I mobilize development, prosperity for our people. If our people are not going to benefit from the votes that we're gonna get for the president and government, then I must be very ashamed of myself.
Yes.
Ara for you.
Yeah. Angeo no winyo mabe kibot honorable Boss Miko team would pa Riemo Joyce and a chiel kekene wilogoni. Mao beru kato pidano da bene putika meta nyim. An machalo KD Cristo Ama mero wacho potune wan ki Boss Miki beru chau yecho kilo ba. Mapeke donyi lokata makwano Bible. Ento pe donyi lokparo ba ta mati ki chirage monu gino mero nge. One wabe biro kwiki His Excellency President of Uganda, President Museveni Kagota. Endo ka oecha me potogwana. uye wa put gwana porpa udonga to uye wa put gwana porpa gil barulanya uye wa put gwana porpa koma keliano piene eno no wadugo gang kamuto gwana.
Now in summary,
yep.
Permit a look my poll, permit down judging in, permit
Yes.
down judging one. Remoma wate chikere rema choli remoluo.
Yes.
Dai Kenwa, Boss Migo team, Gino, and many other people. Da ne pierre petek, Gina pierre tek enemy. After da wamono, are we still focused? Food what we're konyokara? The same applies to all our leaders in whatever position you are in. After da kumero kilamero, rise up, come back and think about kara. Because above all, one kibe yigo wao ingomluo. Ben fura miro wajaneni. After teacher Matek, President Museveni wakat kui. After teacher Matek, we government of Beriloch. No and fura wajani. Actually peuchat ngom. Peuchat ngom bolu rock. Pian kada tiro teach. Bord Museveni ka tiro teach. Bord gene bord ludi rumony. Ka tiro teach. Bord miri. Omira duka gwako pajo pa actually. Aduka gwako pajo pa luo. Atie kingech. Doka wajo kamaleng ni. Ana yabe gak latina chule chiel. Matiu ki gamente entro no gwako twero pa chuli twero pa luo. Atiu ki gamente entro na gwako ngom pa chuli ngom pa luo. Abiti chi gamente entro na gwako our rights. Abiti chi gamente entro no agwako our future. Machalo a generation mumirupe kineko kitieko. Loba medugum amaru sana.
Rogo international respect. Yaman. Dakwa bidwo gula chen. Bye bye.